Hi everyone. So today we're going to solve Leetcode daily challenge problem number 434, gas station. So in this problem we will be given two arrays called gas and cost. So each element in the gas array represents the amount of gas available at that particular gas station, and cost over here represents the amount of gas we it will consume to get to the I plus one station. Okay. And we have to find out the gas station from where we'll have to start to take a round trip in the clockwise direction and visit all the gas stations. If there is any such point, we'll have to return that point. Otherwise, we will be returning -1. So this was the crux of the whole problem statement. Let's move to the solution now. So first thing which come to my mind is it's a basic check if the sum of gas is less than the sum of your cost. Okay, then we can safely say that there must be no starting point possible which can help us to go through all the gas stations, right? So this will be the first station where I'll be returning -1 as my output. Next, what I want to do is I want to pick, for example, we'll start with a zero index, right? We will keep this as our starting point, and we will try to move to uh, each of your this each of the gas stations. Okay. If by any chance our cost becomes zero, or like the gas in our tanks, let's say we refilled at this station, and while moving to the next station, if the tank goes to zero, then we can simply say that this is not the starting point, and we have to look for a new starting point. So we will move to the second element now. The first element, if we talk about the indexing, and we check the same way around. Okay, so let's see the code now. Okay, so first condition, as I mentioned, I'll be checking if sum of gas is less than sum of cost. Then we can safely say that there must be no solution possible. Okay. Next, I want to define two variables in which I'll be in the first variable I'll be storing the tank in the gas in the tank at the moment. Okay. And second will be starting point. And I will start with the zeroth index for now. Okay. Next, we just simply have to write an array, write a iterator to visit all the stations in range length of gas. Okay, because this will be the maximum number of gas stations we can have, right? And what I'll be doing is I will be simply just updating my tank capacity with. So basically, we'll have to add the gas we will get from that station. So that will be equal to gas at the station, and I'll have to minus the gas I have consumed to reach that station. Okay, so this is done. And after all these calculations, if my current tank capacity gets below zero, okay, gets below zero, then I'll reinitialize these two variables again. Okay, but this time, like starting point will be station plus one now. Okay, and at the last, I'll be just returning my starting point. So yeah, this is done. So let's submit for evaluating the test cases. The test cases got accepted successfully. Let's submit for further evaluation. So yeah, like The solution got accepted and we performed decent. Like we outperformed 91.19% of the solutions. So, yeah. Thanks, guys, for watching the video and stay tuned for the comments. Thank you.